Ayan guys, good afternoon. Maggulay naman tayo ngayong lunch. Ayan ang ating gulay. Meron tayong sitaw. Meron tayong ampalaya. At saka, ayan, may carrots tong lahok. Tapos itong isang gulay, ayan, may lock siyang tukwa. Ayan po ang ating lunch for today. Gulay naman, nakakasawa na ang karne, kaya maggulay naman tayo. Ayan guys, ang ating lunch for today. Puro gulay, puro veggie, ayan. Para healthy. Maggulay muna tayo ngayon. Ayan guys. Thank you for watching. Don't skip the ads. Bye bye guys. Thank you, thank you. Tara, kain tayo. Lunchtime. Yummy, yummy. Veggie, green veggie. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. God bless us all. Thank you. Bye.